Welcome, my friends. We are studying mathematics course of first term of grade number 6, and this is unit 7, lessons 1 and 2 about the mean. Let's go. We have something called mean. What's mean? I don't know, right? Okay, but you have to know that to find the mean value, you need three ways. The first way is called balanced point. Balanced point. And we have some example for it. But we have another way called fair share. Also, we have example for it. And the third way is called the role. And we have some example for it. Okay? And the fourth step we have today is another type of question, and we have example for it. And the end of this lesson we have two small exercise to check our understand. Now let's go. Now we have example number 1. The example say, calculate the mean of the following data using balanced point. Remember with me, we said before, we will find something called mean. And this is the first way, called balanced point. Now, what is the mean? And I have to find it using this way. Now I have this value 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 6 and 6. Okay, all these values I need to find the mean value for them, okay, using balanced point. Okay, now I have these values. I need to know what balanced point. Now, to find the mean using balanced point for any group of values like these values, okay, I will use dot plot. Okay, all of us know what's dot plot. Dot plot, just number line like this. And look here, we have, where is the minimum? 3. Where is the maximum? 8. Now I need to start by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally it's 8. Okay, after that, what's the frequency of 3? I just have 1 3, so just one dot. How many 4? Just 1 4. How many 5? There is no 5, so there is no dot here. And how many 6? We have 1, 2, 3, 6. So I need to plot 3 dots. Okay. How many 7? Just 1 7. How many 8? Just 2 8. 1 and 2. Now I just dot plot my values. After this, look here, we have dot plot and we have frequency of our values. Okay, now to find the balanced point, what balanced point? That means there is one point of this point, I can call it as balance point. Now to find the balance point, do this. First, you must know that I can move any dot to right or to left, but not with me. If you add all of these values, we have 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 equal what? 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 plus 6 equals 13 plus 7, 20, 28, right? 36. 36 plus 12 equal 48, right? Okay, now 48, if you add 1 and minus 1, what? I add 1 and at the same time subtract another 1. It's equal what? The same number, right? Okay. If you add 2 and subtract 2, you will get the same number without any change. That's okay? Okay. Why I say this trick? Because to find the balance point, you need to move these points by this way, not with me. If I move this point one step here and delete it, okay? Now I add 1. I added 1 because I moved from 3 to 4, okay? Now you add 1. I need what? I need to subtract another 1. Now subtract this 1 from here, send it to here, like this, and delete this one. Okay, after that, I will move this one, another step, I put it here. Okay, now I add 1, I need to subtract another 1. So please subtract this point or this dot and send it to here and delete it from here. Okay, now look what you have here. We have here 1 dot at 8, 1 dot at 7, 1 dot at 5, 1 dot at 4, right? It's okay. In between them, I have 6. 6 have 4 dots, okay? But look here. Here, I can say something like balance. What balance? Just a car with 2 wheels here and 2 wheels here and a big wheel here. Now, this shape, I can call it as balanced case. Balanced case. Okay? Okay. Now, from this shape, I can say that the balance point is what is 6. From this shape, I can say that the balance point is 6. Now, we figure that balanced point equal 6. You imagine you already find the mean. Yes, because the balance point equal the mean. That's the first way how you can find the mean from what? From balanced point 6 and 6. Now you finished your question number 1. Let's go to the second way to find the mean, and it's called what? It's called fair share. Let's go. Now we have example number 2. Example number 2, he asked us to find the mean for what? 2, 3, 1, 5, and 4 using fair share. It's the second way to find the mean. It's called fair share. Now I have these 5 values. But to understand the fair share, you have to figure it. How? Not with me. 2, just like 2 square, like this 2 square. Okay. And the second one is 3. So you have 3 squares, 1, 2, 3. And here you have just 1 square. And we have 5 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And last one, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 square. Okay, now, this 2, 3, 1, 5, finally 4. Okay, now, the fair share way to find the mean is like that. I need to distribute these squares into these places equally. What? Equally. Okay, how? Not with me. Now I have here 2. Here we have 3. Here we have 1. We have here 5 and 4. Now, if I take this square from here and I put it here, that's okay. After that, I have this square, I can move it here. Okay. After that, this square, I can move it and put it here. Now, please count here. 1, 2, 3. It becomes 3. Here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, I distribute these squares equally for these 5 places. I get what? I get number 3. So 3 is the mean of these values. What? That's easy? Yes, that's easy. Now, you got the fair share let you to find the amount or the value equal distributed is what? Is 3. And it's the way to find the mean. So now you can set that the mean, you can say that the mean equal what? Equal 3. Now 3 is the mean by using fair share to find the mean. And this is the second way. Now we have the third way. It's called the role. Let's go. Now we have example 3. Example 3, calculate the mean. Yes, also he asked us about the mean. By using what this time? By using the role. We have 2 examples, A and B. First, what's the role I will use to find the mean? Not with me. The role, say, to find the mean for any group of values, do what? Find the sum of values. What's the sum of values? Just add them together, okay? And divided them by the number of them. The number of values. That's easy? Yes. First, add all the value, then divided them by the number of all values. Okay, so to solve point A, we have 3, 9, 5, 16, 7. What? You need to find the mean by the role. First, add them. 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 16 plus 7 over what? Over the number of them. What's the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just count the number. 5. Now add 3 plus 9 equal 12. 12 plus 5 equals 17. 17 plus 16 equals 33. 33 plus 7 is equal 40. 40 by 5, that's equal 8. 8 is the mean using the rule. Finished. Okay. Question B. We have these values 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 values. That's the number of them. To find the mean, I need to add all of them. 9.2, 12.8, 9.2 over 4. Why 4? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the number of values. Now, add with me. I have here 6 plus 2 equal 8, plus 8 equals 16, plus 2 equal 18, 8, and carry up what? Carry up 1. Okay, we have here 1 plus 5, 6, plus 9, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 9 equal 26. Write 6 and carry up 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3, nothing here. 3 plus 1 equal 4, nothing here, so we have 4. But don't forget the point, the decimal point here after just one digit. Now we have 46.8 divided by what? Divided by 4. Now to find this value, please don't go to your calculator and calculate it. Try it using our long division. That's easy for sure. Okay, 4 by 4, 4 divided 4 equal just 1. 1 by 4 equal 4. Now subtract 0, drop what? Drop 6. 6 divided 4 just have 1 4. 4 by 1 equal 4. Subtract, we have 2. Now 2 divided by 4 is not legal. Yes, because 2 less than 4, so I will drop 8. Now I have 28 divided 4 equals 7, right? Okay, 7 by 4 equal 28, so there is no remainder here. Don't forget we have point here, right? Point was here, just after one digit. Put it also here. Now the final result is 11.7. What? 11.7 is what? Is the mean of these values. Now we finish the third way to find the mean using what? Using the rule. What rule? This rule. Okay, now we will go to the fourth part of our lesson, and it has some trick to use. Now, example number 4. He said that find the value of x. About the 3 previous example, he asked us about the mean, how to find the mean using first the rule or fair share or balance point. But now he need to find one value called x. Look here, point A. We have some values 3, 7, x, and finally 8. And he gave us the mean. He said the mean equal 5. Now I know the mean and I have some missing value here. So how to use the mean to find this value? Look with me here. Point A. Okay, I have some rule called the mean. What's the mean? 5 equal what? Equal the summation of the value over the number of them. Summation of the value. What's the value? 3 plus 7 plus x plus 8 over 1, 2, 3, 4 over 4. Now I have some equation, and this equation have has some variable. Variable is x. I need to find the value of x. That's easy. That's application for solving equations. Okay, now to find the value of x, I need to find the value of x. That's I need to put it in alone in any side, either left or right. How? Firstly, I find this 4. 4 in denominator. To get rid of this 4, I will multiply 4 by both sides. What? Why? Look with me. 4 by 5 equal 20. That's equal 4 over 4. This 4 will delete this 4. Because 4 over 4 equal 1. 4 in numerator over 4 denominator equal 1. It's go. Now we have 7 plus 3 plus 8. I can add these numbers together. Okay, 3 plus 7 equal 10. 10 plus 8 equal 18. Plus what? Plus x. Now it's easier, right? Just equation 20 equal 18 plus x. I need x alone here. Oh, I need to send this 18 to the other side. Now we have here x and we have 20. But this 18, when go to the other left, what will happen to it? Note with me, any number without any sign to the left of it, it's just plus. Now, if I send and this 20 is already plus. This plus 18, when you send it to the other side, will be what? Will be minus 18. What? Minus 18 plus 20? Yes, x. What is the meaning of minus 18 plus 20? I can add them? Yes, it's integers, right? I can write it another way, 20 minus 18. Yes, 20 is plus. 20 plus is plus and minus 18 minus 18. Now x equal what? Plus or positive 20 minus 18 just equal 2. 2 equal x or x equal 2. It's the same. Now we find the value of x for the first question. Now b. Okay, b, I have the mean equal 11 and I have these values 10, 13, 17, x and 10. Now the mean equal 11, so 11 equal the summation of these values 10 plus 13 plus 17 plus x plus 10 over what number of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5. Now to find the value of x, just solve this equation. To get rid of this 5, I will multiply 5 by both sides. So 5 by 11 equal 55. And 5 will leave this 5. So I have 10 plus 13 equal 23. 23 plus 17 equal 40. 40 plus 10 equal 50 plus x. Now I have this equation. 55 equal 50 plus x. To make it easier to you, almost put x as the other side, as the left side. How? Look here. And if you do it as this. Huh? Is there any difference? No difference. 55 equal 50 plus x. It's the same. 50 plus x equal 55. Okay, but this shape is easier to solve. Now I need x alone. So please send this 50 to the other side. But note this 50 was positive. I will send it with negative. Now we have just x here and 55. This plus 50 or positive, I will set it as negative 50. So now I can said that x equal what? 55 minus 5 minus 50 equal 5. Now I find the value of 5. By the end of this example, we finished all the ideas of this lesson. But before ending this lesson, we have two small exercises to check our understanding. With me, let's go. First check here, answer the following question. Question A. Samah runs 4 kilometers. Run 4 kilometers on Sunday. 3 kilometers on Monday. 5 kilometers on Tuesday. Find the mean. Find the mean distance covered by Samah. Please, any word problem, please convert it to numbers, just some numbers. Like what? Like this. I just have 4, 3, and 5. And what? I need to find the mean of these values. That's easy, it's finished. Okay, the easiest way to find the mean directly and speedily, find the rule. Use the rule. Now I can set that the mean equal add all of these values divided by what? 3 is the number of them. 1, 2, 3. Now the mean equal what? 4 plus 3 equals 7 plus 5 equal 12 over what? Over 3 equal what? Equal 4. Now the mean equal 4. But now he asks us about the mean of what? Of distance. Now the mean equal 4. But this word problem, you must write here the unit. For what? 4 kilometer. Now go to the next check. Now we have the last check with us. If the mean of side length of triangle is 8 centimeter, please stop here. You have what? You have the mean of side length of triangle. Any triangle have 3 side lengths. Okay? Okay, but it's not equal each other, right? Okay. But he said that he find us the mean. Now, here's the mean. I can call it as average. What? Average. Okay. And he asked us the parameter of the triangle. What parameter? Parameter, if I have x and y and z. Okay? Okay. He finds the mean of x and y and z, or finds the average, and he finds it as 8. Okay, maybe it was someone at 8 and someone 9 and another one was 7. So he finds that the mean is equal 8. Now 8 is the mean of these values. Okay, now I can consider that x equal y equal z equal 8, and the parameter of any triangle is to add or the sum of its side lengths. Now if you said that 8 plus 8 plus 8 equal 24, that's 3 by 8. 3 by 8 equal 24 centimeter. Okay, now choose 24 centimeter as the parameter of this rectangle, of this triangle, sorry. Tamam. Okay, now this way, how to use mean as an average of triangle, and this is important application and the question. Okay, now we finished our lesson. Let's go to revise what we have from the first. From the first, we said we will learn what? We will learn the mean. I think now we know what is the mean or average. Okay, and we know to find it using balance point, and we have some example, and how to find it using fair share, and we had example, and the rule we know what's the role now, and we have example for it, and we have the trick about finding missing value using the role. Okay, and we have some exercises to check our standing. I wish you good time and thank you.